Hi everyone, Shawn here, back again with another video. Just wanted to film an unboxing of the new MacBook Air that I bought. This is the 2022 version, or the latest MacBook Air that just came out. Got the space gray version because I heard a lot about, I think, graphite or black version, had a lot of fingerprints. So wanted to get this MacBook Air for light video editing. So that's why I got this. I haven't had a MacBook in years. I would say maybe 10 years. I bought my last MacBook maybe 2008. I have one for work, but as a work machine, so now I need a personal computer to edit photos and to do light video editing. So that's why I got this one. Just want to show you the box and then give you a little bit of the unboxing experience. So been pretty great so far. Apple does great packaging. Pull this lever back, this lever right here, pull this lever back, and I'm able to rip open the plastic really easily. Slide that back on there. And as you can see, only 8 gigabytes of unified memory, 256 SSD. Maybe I'm thinking of keeping this only maybe a year and then reselling it and getting the M3 maybe next and then keeping that one for a while. But I just needed something really quick. And on the Apple site to get this in one day, I ordered it yesterday around 3:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it is around 8 a.m. 8 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. It came the next day, so pretty quick for this. If I wanted the 16 gigabyte of memory, it would have took a couple more days, or if I wanted 512 SSD, it would have took to the end of the month, and I didn't want to wait. So just opening it up, really easy. As I mentioned before, get rid of that. You can see the laptop. I'll put it down here. Slide this open. Give it 1 second. It's opening now. Okay, there you go. Side, tap. As you can see, the laptop here. Come back to it. It's really cold. You can feel that aluminum. Comes with oh, wasn't expecting this. The new braided cable, as you can see here, and the MagSafe connection. This is pretty nice. Pretty nice here. So MagSafe and braided cable. And actually, my last MacBook also had MagSafe. That is crazy. It was before USB-C. I didn't have a USB-C. It's probably like a 2012 maybe MacBook I had, or 2010. I think it was either 2010 or 2012 MacBook was the last one I had. And my work computer is a 2020 maxed out MacBook Pro. So this is neat to have that. You see here with our stickers, you know, the normal books. Let's see, do we have Apple stickers in here? Open up the books. I really don't take a lot of these out because I'm just going to resell it. Not even going to look. Don't think we have stickers this time. Let's see. Oh yeah, we do. Space gray stickers, which you can see in there. Okay, not going to mess this up because I'm not going to ever use this. Let's put that back, and we have our wall plug. And let's open this up and see. And I'm probably not going to open it up because I'm more than likely not going to use it. But as I look through here, it's a 30-watt USB-C power connector, power adapter. So as I'm looking at this one, this is the 30-watt USB-C power adapter. Probably gonna keep it in the box. Put it back there. Just going to put this. May not even use this much because I don't really need it because I already have a bunch of USB-C chargers. So I'm gonna put that back. And put that back, and then just file it over to the side. Let's open up the laptop. You see, oh, didn't mean to do it that way, but it's all good. Right to the side, and as you can see, space gray. It is not tapered on the edges anymore as it gets to the front. Still has a headphone jack. Still has a headphone jack here. Really neat, not tapered. Squared off design, which I really like. 2 USB-C ports on this side, as you can see. MagSafe charger. Really nice. Really got great weight to it. Really nice. I like it a lot better than my 2020 MacBook Pro for work. It has the touch bar, and as you can see, it opens up, and it's doing the first update. Really nice. Touch ID, function rows, lights up. But once again, as this is rebooting and booting up for the first time, I'm going to end the video here and to say thank you guys for watching. It's a great computer. I'm going to edit this video that you're actually going to see. I'm going to edit it on here and post it so you can see, and then I'll give you some updates of how fast. And I think you'll do well. I'm just going to do a video editing and photo editing. Thank you guys for watching.